In today's video, I'm going to teach you Microsoft Access how to use the append query. By the end, you'll know how to safely copy records from one place into an existing table without overwriting anything. First, open Microsoft Access. Once Access is up, open the database that contains the source data you want to move. Think of this as the place where the records currently live. Your destination is an existing table in this or another database that you want to add those records to. Next, go to the Create tab and choose Query Design. This opens the Query Designer where you'll build the criteria that decides which records will be appended. Start by adding the source table or query to the design window, and then add the fields you care about to the grid. If you need to narrow things down, add criteria now. This is a crucial moment. You're defining exactly what will be moved. Before appending anything, turn this into a simple select query and click Run on the Query Design tab. Access will show you the records that match your criteria. Use this preview to confirm you're selecting the right rows and that the fields look clean. If the results aren't what you expect, go back and adjust the fields or criteria until they're perfect. When you're confident, switch back to Design View. If you don't see design options, make sure you're in Design View rather than Datasheet View. On the Query Design tab, in the Query Type group, click Append. This converts your select query into an append query. An append dialog box appears asking where to put the records. Specify the destination table in that dialog. Choose Current Database, then pick the exact table name you want to append to from the dropdown and click OK. Double check you've selected the right table, especially if you have similarly named ones. Back in the grid, you'll see an append to row. This is where you map your source fields to the destination fields. Make sure every required destination field is matched, data types are compatible, and field names line up. Pay special attention to primary keys, unique indexes, and required fields. Mismatches here can cause some records to be skipped. When everything is mapped, click Run. Access will tell you how many rows will be appended. Review the message, confirm, and let it complete. If Access reports that some records couldn't be appended, it's usually due to validation rules, key violations, or type mismatches. Tweak your field mapping or criteria and run again. That's it. Your selected records are now appended to the destination table using a clean, controlled process.